Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Manya, and as in the previous video I told you that the upcoming videos will be about how to introduce yourself in Spanish. So that's why we did those verbs, you remember? If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. I'm giving the link in the description. So now for today's video, I am back with a very interesting and a fresh topic, which is how to introduce yourself in Spanish. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell everything about yourself in Spanish, like from your name to what is your age, what do you do, what do you like, what do you dislike, where are you from, right? So let's begin. Okay जी, you must be thinking that greetings क्यों लिखे हैं यहाँ पे? Greetings तो हमने पहली वीडियो में कर चुके हैं हम. So guys, it's a basic necessity when you introduce yourself. You greet somebody, right? So let's revise it quickly. Hola, hello. Buenos días for good morning, buenas tardes for good afternoon, and buenas noches for good evening or good night. Right? Okay, so let's start with the basic with what is your name. Me llamo Manya, not Llamo. Llamo we don't call double L, Lya. We say Ya. So me llamo Manya. I call myself Manya. Okay, this is the verb. Just a sec. This is the verb Yamar. You remember we did AR, ER and IR verbs in the previous video. So this is also the verb ending with AR, which is Yamar, which means to call yourself in Spanish. So I call myself Manya. That's why मैं llamo Manya, right? अब इसमें अगर हम सेकंड फॉर्म या थर्ड पर्सन की बात करते हैं तो इसमें क्या होगा? ¿Cómo te llamas? I am asking you, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Te llamas. This is a reflexive verb. So me te से आगे इसके साथ लगता है, which is a very necessity in this. So in the upcoming videos, we'll definitely discuss in detail about this. But for now, me llamo Manya. Next form which you can say your name is soy Manya. I am Manya. Soy, remember the verb ser, soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son in the previous video. So this is soy Manya. I am Manya. Then comes mi nombre es Manya. Mi nombre es Manya. My name is Manya. This is used in the most formal situations, but in the informal ones with your friends or with your family, you can use these two, which are me amo Manya and soy Manya. This is used in the formal situations like when you are in a company or when you are interviewing. That's why this is used there, right? Okay, people, let's move forward. Let's come forward to age. Now, in Spanish, you are not your age, you have it, right? And like in English, we say, I am 20 years old or I am 22 years old. In Spanish, we don't say I am, not soy 20 años. It's tengo 20 años. I have explained this in detail in my previous video. Go watch it. But you remember, this is the verb tener, and in the first form we conjugated as tengo. So tengo 20 años, right? Remember this. In Spanish, you don't are your age, you have it. So the verb used for age is tener. Okay. So now to talk about where are you from and where do you live, these are the three basic sentences. Soy de India. I am from India. Soy, ser again, right? So soy de India. De here means from, right? So I am from India. Then vivo en Delhi. Vivo, you remember the verb? Tell me the verb. 3, 2, 1. You guessed it right. It's vivir. In the previous video again. So vivo en Delhi. I live in Delhi. Soy India o Indio. I am Indian. Now, India for girls or ladies, and Indio for boys or males. This will depend on the gender. India, Indio. Okay, now to talk about what do you do or where do you work. So we use uh, soy estudiante de español. If somebody is asking me, what do you do? ¿A qué se dedica? What do you do? So your response to it is soy estudiante de español. I am a Spanish student. Then for me, I'll say soy profesora. I am a teacher. Again, profesora for feminine, professor for masculine. This will always depend on the gender, right? Then the next possibility would be trabajo en una oficina. I work in an office. This is the verb trabajar, which means to work in Spanish. We haven't discussed this verb abhi, but the conjugation is still same. Like trabajo, trabajas, trabaja, trabajamos, trabajais, trabajan. Right? Revise the presente de indicativo. Again and again I'm saying. So these are the three possibilities of what do you do, right? To talk about what are your hobbies or what do you like is these two basic sentences. Me gusta bailar y viajar. This is the verb gustar, which means to like in Spanish. So, this is also, this doesn't work as the normal verbs. The whole separate video will be about this verb. But for now, me gusta bailar y viajar. I like to dance and travel. Next is me gusta escuchar música. I like to listen music. Okay, let's put it all together and see the basic introduction in Spanish. Hola, me llamo Manya, tengo 20 años, soy de India y vivo en Delhi. I am from India and I live in Delhi. Soy profesora de español. I am a Spanish teacher. Me gusta escuchar música y bailar. I like to listen to music and dance. Gracias. This is the basic, structure of how you can introduce yourself in Spanish. Muy bien, chicos. Now you can confidently introduce yourself in Spanish in front of anybody without hesitation. So in the comment section, give me your basic introduction and I'll help you correct it. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And for more interesting Spanish lessons, subscribe to my channel. Hasta luego!